It's Wednesday and the snow has begun. We're supposed to get like 1 to 4 inches today and then 11 to 17 inches overnight. How crazy is that? So we're gonna be snowed in for a little while.
I have a time lapse going.
Oh, you did?
Uh-huh. I have to replace the battery now.
Look at all this soup we stocked up on. And somebody really likes vegetable soup. Our little Jedi likes vegetable soup.
Yep. You soup? Okay.
Mama's making you some more soup.
Yummy soup. Yummy soup.
Are you cutting your cookies? Whoa! Oh, you are so close. You're so close. Yay, you got it! A whole day later.
We found the missing ball. It was like right in here.
But yay, so the trees are de-ornamented.
They're untrimmed.
Untrimmed. Someone is very upset about that.
Very distraught.
And we're about ready to take the garland and the lights off and take down the trees. Someone is not happy.
Turn them on one last time.
You can turn it on one last time. There you go.
Here's a snow update, guys.
Snow update.
Probably a couple inches out there already.
You think because you turn on the lights that they're safe? They're not safe.
They're not.
2 out of the 3 trees are down. We're working on the 3rd one. And Teagan gets to take the star down. If he can reach. He goes, I'm so close, Dada. I'm so close. Can you reach?
I'll help. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There we go, bud. There, we got it, Mama.
Yay!
Christmas is out of here. Look at this big helper. This room is going to be so bare.
We get to hang up your new Disney art on the wall now.
That is true. We're coming for you next, Village.
Yep. I couldn't really do it with the trees in the way.
Yeah, and then we have these statues down here and the stuffed animals, and we're gonna have to buy a new white placemat next year, tablecloth rather, because the cats would wrestle, and they're like claw marks all through it. Look, claw marks there. I don't know if you can really see it because we got all this. Look at that. Oh well, it only costs like $1. It was only like $1 at the Dollar Tree.
Darn cats.
You'll be tall enough to put it up himself next
I
year.
know. That'll be great. Do you want 2? There you go.
You might have to reorganize this tote a little bit.
It's okay.
So it's about 2 in the afternoon. Let's take a look outside. See how things are going. What's it doing outside?
Go!
Yeah, that's right. I'm keeping an eye on things to see if I have to do one sweep over things with the snow blower, but I think it's only like 2 or 3 inches, so I'm not sure. But I also don't want it to get too deep because we're going to get the brunt of it tonight. So who knows what's going to be waiting for me in the morning.
It's about 10:30 at night, and I wanted to give you a little update as to how the storm is doing. Look at this. These were bare this morning. There was no snow on that this morning. Oh my gosh. We have definitely a foot of snow out there. Look at it. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna open the door so you guys can see this. Oh my gosh. Look. This is on the ground. Oh my goodness. That is crazy. It's definitely over a foot. Definitely over a foot. Anyway, with that, I'm gonna go to bed because we're gonna have a busy day cleaning snow up tomorrow. So, alrighty. Good night, guys.